Okay, here's how you can pay a completed invoice from the point of sale screen. At the same time, you can sell the customer other parts. So let's select our customer. I already know I have a completed but not paid for invoice already here, so I click on the Get ROs F9. That means you can press the F9 on the keyboard. So I'll click on that. It'll show up in green and yellow, okay, and that'll show the year, make, and model of the vehicle you're working on, and the extended price is how much is owed on that work order. Okay, I can view that work order by right clicking on it and clicking on View RO. If I've paid nothing on it at all, I can actually adjust this work order. Okay, so I could take away this credit card fee, make it 0 if I wanted to. Could check that, 0 that. Now there's no credit card fee. And now obviously the price has changed. Okay, at that point you can go ahead and add another part that you're going to sell. Now what it'll end up doing is paying off this work order invoice and then creating a whole new invoice work order using these parts or however many parts you have on the screen. So we'll go ahead and finish it. And we'll say we're going to take a credit card, even though you shouldn't because you didn't add the fee, but that's fine. So the whole total is $582.32. Complete the payment. And it'll show the new invoice, not the old one, on the screen, and you can email it or print it, whatever. And you're done. It's that simple.